Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great day to be a Packer. Wish I could be with you, but I'm not. And you're lucky because guest teacher and Packer legend, Mr. Rund, is with you. And we've got a real straightforward day. It's going to be a smooth sail for all y'all. And I'll look forward to working with you again on Wednesday. Now, just a couple of quick reminders and assignments down there at the bottom. A lot of people went to the Women's Society event yesterday after school. There's an assignment online to follow up on that for extra credit. I'm going to call it a bonus assignment. People that weren't able to make it still have an opportunity for that bonus assignment. Those directions are on Classroom. It says bonus assignment, women's suffrage. Check that out. Thursday, tomorrow, personal project reward trip. As I've been saying all week, feel free to bring activities when you're done with bowling. There's going to be free food. There's going to be space to hang out with your friends. Feel free to bring card games, Nintendo Switch, what have you. So I've got two things I want you to do today, but just quick review questions. Hopefully 2 people can tell Mr. Rund at least one fact about the life of Louis Zamperini, either why he's famous or one of his challenges. And bonus thought for the day, what sport is this guy playing? Pretty cool sport where you get to wear all white. It's called cricket. It's kind of like baseball and softball without any foul balls. Okay, so I've got 2 assignments that I'm going to want you to take a look at. One that we introduced yesterday, figuring out what fascism is. Since it was a big cause of World War II, we should understand it. And then a real quick set of vocabulary words, right? So what you're going to do is navigate to Google Classroom. If you want paper copies, you're certainly able to go up to the unicorns and grab those paper copies. You can see obviously there's 2 stacks because there's 2 sets of assignments. But the fascism mission statement, there's paper copies of the speeches. But what I'm going to ask you to do is open up this assignment, read through both statements, one by Mussolini, the leader of Italy, one by Hitler, the leader of Germany, and figure out what was and is fascism. What would be the mission statement they would keep track of? Please, as we talked about, read the directions. Then when you finish that mission statement, you're going to click over and work on this flipped lesson. There's a video. I tried to keep it under 6 minutes, didn't quite get there. Going over some key vocabulary words that you're going to write down on this document. And then you'll take a quick notes check where you can use these notes. So we watch the video, we take the notes, and then we take the note check. You should be able to do both of those things, the fascism mission statement and the flipped lesson. You should be able to do both of them in class. But if you need to do them for homework, that's totally fine. Thanks for your normal excellent behavior. Thanks for being big fans of cricket. And be sure to thank Mr. Rund for his work with us today. Have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.